Our news team has spent the evening gathering reaction from local and state leaders.
Chris Serenelli heard from a few of them. He's here now with what they're calling for in the wake of these closings. Chris.
Aaron and Derek, I heard lots of calls for accountability for Steward and Medical Properties Trust, that real estate investment group that bought Steward's hospital buildings. One county leader says she's especially worried for the folks who get their mental health care from Trumbull Regional Medical Center.
The impact that it's going to have on our community is devastating.
Trumbull County Commissioner Nikki Frenchco told me about her concerns after Steward announced Trumbull Regional Medical Center and Hillside Rehab Hospital will close next month.
This is in my backyard. This is where my family's worked. This is where my neighbors work.
Frenchco says she's upset for all the workers who have stayed dedicated despite seeing the writing on the wall. She also worries about folks who have nowhere else to get primary care and mental health care.
That is the only inpatient psychiatry that we have right now in Trumbull County.
Frenchco also called for accountability, saying the Steward hospitals had been overappraised under management of Medical Properties Trust.
I'm also extremely angry that the federal government allowed this to happen. This is something that should not have happened, and they need to take action to change policy. Our congressmen, our senators need to do better.
From an economic standpoint, Youngstown Warren Regional Chamber President Guy Coviello told me he believes that Mercy Health can pick up the slack. He said in a statement, quote, "Our concern will be helping the city of Warren and Mayor Franklin's administration with a potential loss of income tax, and both the city and Howland with the reuse of properties. If in the next 30 days there's a Hail Mary pass completed and another operator takes Trumbull and or Hillside, then that's a good thing too." Governor DeWine also released a statement saying in part, quote, "The corporate leadership of Steward Healthcare must be held accountable to ensure that they're actively working to support their local doctors while they work with patients and their families to find the best possible alternative. While they have committed to doing so, we will actively work with the local healthcare community to ensure they properly follow through on that pledge." With more local news, I'm Chris Serenelli.
21 News also received a statement from Mercy Health regarding the sudden closure plans by Steward Healthcare. It reads in part, "In light of Steward Healthcare System's difficult decision to close Trumbull Regional Medical Center and Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital, Mercy Health is prepared and stands ready to help offer a smooth transition for patients during this time of change." It's important to note that through all of this, Sharon Regional Medical Center is not included in the list that is set to close in September. 21 News has learned that talks are ongoing for the sale of that hospital. Now, you can read our full coverage on these closures on WFMJ.com or the 21 News app, and continue to follow 21 News for any new developments.
We have some breaking news. Multiple fire crews are on scene battling a blaze on